Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with Cox Internet. In this video, we're taking a close look at Cox Internet, a widely used provider for both homes and businesses seeking dependable internet service. Cox provides a range of plans designed to meet diverse needs, from casual web browsing to demanding online gaming and streaming. With speeds from a modest 10 megabits per second up to a blazing 940 megabits per second, they offer choices suitable for households of any size, catering to families, remote workers, and gamers alike. A key advantage of Cox is its adaptable pricing structure. Customers can select a plan that aligns with their budget and data usage. Cox also offers supplementary features such as panoramic Wi-Fi, designed to boost coverage throughout your home, and robust security options to safeguard your devices from online threats. However, it's crucial to understand that while Cox does offer no-contract plans, many of their plans come with promotional pricing that can increase after the initial period. Carefully review the terms and conditions to avoid surprises. Customer service is a vital aspect of any internet provider, and Cox has made improvements in this area. They offer enhanced support channels, including online chat and a dedicated mobile app for managing your account. User experiences vary, however. Some customers report positive interactions, while others have encountered difficulties, especially during peak usage times when speeds can slow down. This is a factor to weigh, particularly if you live in a densely populated region. Installation is generally user-friendly, with options for self-installation or professional setup, offering convenience to those who prefer it. Keep in mind that there is an equipment rental fee. Buying your own modem and router can save you money in the long term, especially if you plan to be a Cox customer for a while. To summarize, Cox Internet is a viable option for users seeking flexibility and a broad spectrum of speed options. While they cater to a variety of needs, it's important to be mindful of potential price increases after the promotional period ends, and to research local customer reviews concerning service reliability. If speed and dependable service are your top priorities, Cox might be a good fit. However, make sure to thoroughly evaluate your individual internet usage requirements before making a final decision. Thank you for watching this review. I hope this information helps you determine whether Cox Internet is the right choice for your needs.